Live's Molly Oak is in the northern part of the state for us tonight in the town of Helene.
That's right, Molly. We know emergency management officials there in White County say they are preparing for what could come the worst tonight.
Yeah, so as officials wait for Helene, I'm live here along the Chattahoochee River. Now, this is one of the flood-prone areas that officials say they're keeping their eye on today and tomorrow. In White County,
We're making sure that we have adequate personnel on duty at our 911 center, our fire department, our emergency medical services, law enforcement.
Dawn Strength is the Deputy Emergency Management Director.
My top concern is wind and the potential for flooding. As you know, that up here in the northeast Georgia mountains, there are several flood-prone areas. The Chattahoochee River actually starts in Helene, Georgia. The Chattahoochee River does not typically fluctuate that much, but in a tropical situation like this, it certainly can.
Strength says he's expecting the worst of it in White County to be early tomorrow morning before dawn and last through the afternoon.
We're preparing for the absolute worst and advising everyone to be prepared to go 3 to 5 days without power, have everything that you could think of that you might need during that time to be safe, and we'll get to you as quick as we can.
You know, we were chatting about if they've ever experienced something like this, and he likened it to Hurricane Irma back in 2017. He says right now they're expecting the same impacts that Irma brought. So we're talking potential for downed trees and possible power outages for days. Reporting live in Helene, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.